They say the journey of 1,000 miles begin with the first step. And that is the kind of maverick philosophical outlook I am taking on the decision by the government to reverse their stance and allow fans inside the stadium for the home World Cup qualifier against the United States. Yeah, man. A kind of giving thanks for small mercies. Because our government are the boss and they never had to make that about turn. But outside of the gratitude and the simple common sense of it, why is it being made out to be this massive logistical undertaking to get 5,000 vaccinated fans inside the 30,000-seater stadium? What's so hard in that? I mean, this is the technological age. There is a government database with all vaccinated Jamaicans. What is so hard to verify the vaccination status of 5,000 people and make them go buy football ticket? Yes. I mean, we see 40, 50, 60, 70,000 people bungle up in a football stadium all over the world. Man send man go to the moon over 50 years ago. Yes. And in 2021, we are making it look like a covert CIA, FBI operation to get 5,000 people in a big empty stadium. Anyway, let me stay philosophical. Give thanks for small mercies. Yes, make me go up and stadium to make some nice. All right, to give thanks for small mercies.